No matter how much life makes us grow up through age, pain, and responsibilities, but there's always a part of us that feels like a child, and especially on our birthdays, and that is our younger self. That younger self wants to, feel loved and celebrate and taken care of, and wants that extra attention from the people they love, and just want to feel special and have a good day, and that feeling कि भाई मेरा birthday आ रहा है, so there is an excitement, our eyes get sparkle sparkle sparkle, and हमारा सा दिल खिलखिला जाता है कि हाँ भाई birthday आ रहा है तो क्या करेंगे, कैसा जाएगा, क्या करना चाहिए, that excitement. सबको भाई पसंद है birthday celebrate करना है, सबको अच्छा लगता है कि कुछ अच्छा हो and कुछ special हो, कुछ अच्छा feel हो, right? Just want to feel that love. But by the time, okay, we meet some people, there are some experiences that deem that excitement, जो हमें जैसा मन करता है बर्थडे में ऐसा हो, या कोई हमारे लिए ऐसा करे, ऐसा कुछ स्पेशल हो, एक्साइटिंग हो, एंड they will just make you feel like it's just another day, but it's not. If you guys are like me, who loves birthday, who is just extra and loud, and love to celebrate, want to feel special, and also at the same time it's not just about doing special things for ourselves on our birthdays, but also कि जब किसी और का भी बर्थडे आता है तो you all like, I always love to do something special. अगर मेरे दिल के कोई करीब है, if someone is very close to me and I really love that person, चाहे वो मेरे friends हो, families हो, या फिर मेरा partner हो, कोई भी हो, but मेरे में एक ऐसा है कि I want to do something special, something unique, so that person should feel that special, should feel like he or she deserves everything in life. Then I can understand, because मुझे भी वैसा मन करता है और मैं करती भी हूँ. So I understand there are some people who will dim your light, who will make you feel like it's just another day, but your happiness deserves on yourself. सीरियसली आई एम टेलिंग यू, मैंने जब से स्टार्ट किया है खुद को अपना प्रायोरिटी मानने का, खुद को मतलब दुनिया मेरी मैं हूँ, बाकी मुझे पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है, दुनिया इज मी, आई एम द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी, माई हैप्पीनेस रिलाइज ऑन मी, माई हैप्पीनेस is on me. Like I have the power, the control to what I should feel, and it's not about anyone else, it's just about me. Not just about party, of course party to honi chahiye, that's right, but at the same time it's about the quality time, right? It's about how much how much people love us also, right? कौन पता है birthdays से हमें पता चलता है कि कौन हमें कितना प्यार करता है, एंड कौन कितना अपने लिए एफर्ट्स डालने को रेडी है. एंड मे बी देयर वुड बी यू विल मीट सम पीपल जो ऐसा बोलेगा, यार ये क्या ही है, बर्थडे जस्ट बर्थडे तो भाई तो अपना वैसा मना लेना, तुम भाई मेरा तो ऐसा मनाना चाहता है, अगर तो ऐसा मनाना चाहता है तो भाई मत रहे मेरे जिंदगी में, तो जा. Hello guys, I'm Saili and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys are doing well and taking care of yourself as you should. And बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे क्योंकि मैं बहुत टाइम बाद रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ गाइज, एंड आई नो कि आप लोगों ने मुझे लास्ट मंथ ही देखा रहेगा, बट आई एक्चुअली रिकॉर्डेड दैट वीडियो व्हेन आई वाज इन गोवा, एंड इट्स बीन लाइक almost 2 months that I haven't recorded, and now I'm recording it. And actually I wanted to post this video on my birthday. I actually wanted to post something on my birthday, but I was occupied with things. This video is not about just talking about what I want to do on my birthday, what I did on my birthday, but it's a letter to my younger self and a part of you too. And पहले मुझे बर्थडे आ रहा है मेरा, या फिर बर्थडे मंथ जल्दी आने वाला है मेरा, या फिर आई वॉज जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट स्कैर्ड. आई डिडंट हैड दैट एक्साइटमेंट. मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा खुशी नहीं होती थी पहले कि मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है, चाहे बचपन से माई डैड हैज सेलिब्रेटेड like he used to literally throw parties on my birthday, and he never ever ऐसा कोई भी बर्थडे उन्होंने मिस नहीं किया रहेगा बचपन से कि उन्होंने कभी मेरा बर्थडे ऐसे ही जाने नहीं दिया. ही ऑलवेज ट्राई टू डू समथिंग स्पेशल, अच्छे से उन्होंने सबको इन्वाइट करके जैसे बर्थडे मनाते हैं, तो बहुत प्यार से उन्होंने बर्थडे मनाया. एज आई ग्रू अप एंड मीट सम पीपल इन माई लाइफ, so I was surrounded with some of the experiences, I surrounded with some of the people जो intentionally मेरे birthdays पे ऐसा कुछ चीज़ें करते थे so that I should not feel good about it. So I was little bit kind of scared, you can say, या मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता था कि हाँ भाई मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है, क्योंकि I knew that, and I also used to tolerate such kind of people, and therefore I knew that these people are not going to make it special, and when you have that feeling, you don't even feel like celebrating it. But this year, from the last year, I can say last year be ending month, ending, year say, it feels different. It feels so much lighter, it feels so much sparkly. And this time I knew that my birthday is not going to be just a saddy wala version rongi. I know that, I knew that. But it's going to be good for me. It's going to be, peaceful, and the thing I used to missed and I wanted to be on my birthdays, I got to experience that on my birthday without even asking from the people I have in my life. So yeah, so it was like good. So when I mentioned that this year feels, different for me, and a little bit, happier and lighter, because I have finally stopped playing small. I have finally stopped doubting my self-worth. I have finally stopped going out of the way for people who wouldn't do the same for me, because I have finally stopped entertaining toxic, narcissists, and fake people, because I have finally stopped expecting things from the wrong ones, because I have finally stopped surrounding myself in such situations or with some people that my younger self can feel unsafe from, because I have finally started loving myself the way I have should, because I have started prioritizing myself, because at the end of the day I know that I'm the most important and precious to me, and no one would love and take care of myself the way I do. And even if there are some people who will do and who might do, and I'm really glad and I'm really happy that I am surrounded with such kind of people this time. And I have finally stopped giving that much of power to someone that can control my happiness, that can control my mood. And this is what I have done, and this is what my mindset is all about, and that's the reason this year is different for me. And I think you guys also should have some strict boundaries, and you should do the same thing. And you will just not cry on your birthdays anymore, because during our birthdays we expect a lot of people from expect a lot of things from people, and when those expectations are not met by such people, and then we cry, and then we make our day. हमेशा से मैं बर्थडेज पे रोती थी, just like from few years back, because I had some such people around me who used to intentionally do some things to make my day worse. Just imagine. And I used to tolerate that. Just imagine. But now the things are very different. I have done the whole book. I have just closed the whole book and started writing on a new book. I don't even want that book. That book doesn't even exist. That the chapters doesn't even exist for me. But yeah, I can say some of the chapters do exist for me, because I got to learn some things and I got to unlearn things, and unlearning things are really important. I wanted to do something special on my birthday for myself, so I came up with this idea and I wrote a letter to my younger self. And in that letter I have wrote that what the things I have learned from this past few years, and what things I need to unlearn. And I would like to read to you guys कि मैंने मतलब क्या लिखा है उसमें, just a part of it. So just a second. So I have wrote that this year I'm not just growing older, I'm unlearning things which is not good for me, unlearning the belief that love must be earned, unlearning the idea that to feel loved I have to give more, do more, sacrifice, and also to be go and do things beyond, unlearning the lie that my softness is a weakness, unlearning the belief that someone else gets to define my worth, unlearning the idea that loyalty means tolerating abuse in any form in the name of love, unlearning the habit of giving endless chances to people who keep showing me the same patterns. And these are the things I feel I felt that I need to unlearn. I think that you guys also need to start unlearning some things in our life, because हमारे लाइफ में ऐसे situations आते हैं, we get surrounded by such people that God wants to, just put up with those people so that we can learn something, and we need to unlearn from those things. And also one of the other thing which I have did that कि मैंने लिखा है कि मेरे एक साल में कितने मेरे गोल्स है, like what are my goals, okay, and what are the habits that I need to improve for myself, and what needs to be paid attention when it's about my mental health and my health. And I've wrote that things, and when I will open that letter on my next birthday, then I would get to see whether I have like मैंने वो चीज़ों से जो भी चीज़ें मुझे सीखनी थी या जो भी चीज़ें मुझे इम्प्रोवाइज करनी थी मुझे मेरी लाइफ में, वो मैंने की है या नहीं. And if I haven't, then I'm at the same place, I'm at the same stage, and there is no growth in myself. So that's what I have done for myself on my birthday. So it's just be a little bit unique and special for myself, and that's what I feel like you guys can also do that, because जो हम लोग लिखते हैं and then we are like कि हाँ हमें ये finish करना ही करना है, and या फिर मुझे improvise करना ही करना है, तो वो हम लोग करते हैं, and we are more disciplined about it. And these are the two main things which I have done for myself, and I guess this is one of the best things that I have done on my birthday, and you guys can also do that, and you will unlearn a lot of things, you will improvise a lot of things for yourself. And also at the same time, don't be surrounded on your birthdays with people that will try to dim your light, okay, because you deserve all the love, you deserve to be celebrated, you deserve to be seen, you deserve that special treatment, you deserve to be spoiled and pamper and to have a party, right? So yeah, you deserve everything, and that's what I want to do on my birthday, and I did. And I'm happy that this time this birthday wasn't the same as it used to be earlier, and I'm proud of myself. Yeah, I know it's like आपको लगेगा कि भाई ये तो birthday ही है तो इतना ही क्यों बोलना, but I know that what I have been through this few years on my birthdays, and it wasn't good. It wasn't, like I feel like no one should cry on their birthdays. No one should be the reason of making someone cry on their birthdays. And if someone do that to you, if someone intentionally does that to you, then उसको बाहर निकाल दो भाई, पहली फुर्सत में बाहर निकालो उसको, because that person doesn't love you. And the people who says that they really love you and they really respect you and they are very close to you, and they even don't try to celebrate you, they don't even try to make you feel special. I know for some people birthdays are not big deal, but for most of the people birthdays are big deals. And if you're surrounded with such kind of people, then just say tata bye bye, just walk away from those people, because those people are not even worth your time, worth your energy. That what I keep on saying, not even worth of just speaking to them. That's all I wanted to speak in this video. And before ending this video, I want to remind you guys again that write a letter to your younger self where you are stating what you have learned from this past years, and what you guys are going to unlearn, and what are the things that lower your energy, affected your mental health, and you would not allow that again in your life. Right, those things that you want to work on yourself, the promises that you want to make to yourself, right, those things that you want to achieve within this 1 year, within this till your next birthday comes up. So write those things, seal it, keep it safe, and when it's your next birthday, and then open it up and see and read it out, and you will just get to know where you are. Are you on the same page? Are you on that same place? Or you guys have moved forward? Or you guys have completed your goals, kept your promises, or just you have break some patterns in your life, and you would feel a lot of happier and lighter when you will read that later and you have completed whatever you wanted. It's just a simple thing that you can do for yourself, but it will make a lot of difference, because the growth is yours, the future is yours. The choices you make in your life will reflect in your situations and in your future life. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I hope this video reaches whoever it's meant to be, and I hope you like this video. And from the bottom of my heart, I love you all guys, and God bless you, and take care, and see you guys in the next video. Till then.